Hello, as you can see, we still talk about food, but this time we are going to learn some phrases that might help you to, to behave better when you are in a restaurant and you have to do that in English. Of course, before you start talking to the waiter, definitely you should look to the menu, the list of courses, the list of meals, and in our first exercise, we have one. And the first question for you here is, what would you choose? So this is Mario's lunch and two courses for 10 euros. Main course, they offer pizza margherita, cheeseburger and chips. Now Mario special salad, Mario special pasta, soup of the day, and they have desserts. So they have chocolate mousse, they have fruit salad and ice cream, cheese and biscuits. So what is going to be on your today's menu? If I'm in such place like this Mario, I would choose Mario special pasta and chocolate mousse. So different tastes and different choices. So this wasn't so hard. Okay, when we come back to our basic page, you can see that there is a listening part where you have to listen the situation in a restaurant and you have to finish some tasks, of course. But you are going to watch this situation, and while you are watching, you have here two exercises to finish. Or better to say, we are going to watch and then we are going to do it together.
Excuse me, can I order please?
Certainly. What can I get for you?
Can you tell me what the Mario special salad is?
Sure. It's a salad with lettuce, red peppers, and chicken.
Oh, do you have any vegetarian dishes?
Vegetarian? What about pasta?
Do you know what the pasta sauce is?
Yes, it's a delicious salmon sauce.
Oh, I don't eat fish.
You don't eat fish? Can I suggest a very good vegetarian restaurant near here?
No, it's okay. Could you tell me what the soup is?
Ah, it's a vegetable soup today. Would you like the soup?
Uh, maybe. But first, I'd like to know if there are onions in it.
Yes, it's a vegetable soup. There are onions in it. Is that a problem?
Yes, I'm sorry, but I'm allergic to onions.
Right. How about the salad without chicken?
Yes, that sounds good. Oh, can I have chips with that?
Yes, of course. Is that everything?
Yes, thanks.
Would you like to see the dessert menu?
No, thanks. Could I have the bill, please?
Okay, this will be all. Now let's focus on our exercises here. You have heard the situation in a restaurant. So Alex is the girl, be careful, and we have a waiter. So what are the problems with her order? And what solution do they find? Can you remember? So what did she say? That she is vegetarian, that she doesn't eat fish, and that she is allergic to onions. And what did the waiter suggest? To take pasta, I think, no, a salad without chicken. So this was, for example, the solution for this order. Now, as you can see, you could hear a lot of those useful expressions. They are all here in this speaking focus. So ordering food and asking for information in indirect questions. So what is your task here? To put those sentences on correct places. Okay, shall we start? So, excuse me, can I order, please? Certainly, what can I get for you? So, the first one is going to be, can you tell me what the Mario special salad is? Sure, it's a salad with lettuce, red peppers, and chicken. Oh, do you have any vegetarian dishes? Oh, vegetarian? What about pasta? It says, do you know what the pasta sauce is? Yes, it's a delicious salmon sauce. Oh, but I don't like fish. I don't eat fish. You don't eat fish. Can I suggest a very good vegetarian restaurant near here? No, it's okay. So could you tell me what the soup is? Ah, it's vegetable soup today. Would you like the soup? Uh, Maybe, but first I'd like to know if there are onions in it. Yes, it's a vegetable soup. There are onions in it. Is that a problem? Yes, I'm sorry, but I'm allergic to onions. Right. So how about the salad with chicken? Oh, yes, that sounds good. And can I have chips with that? Yes, of course. Is that everything? Yes, thanks. So, sometime later. Would you like to see the dessert menu? No, thanks. Could I have the bill, please? So, these expressions might be very, very useful when you are nice and when you are polite. Okay, so let's move. Furthermore, listen to the second part of a conversation. Why does the waiter change his attitude to Alex? You can remember that he is pretty rude to her because she's vegetarian, she doesn't eat meat, she doesn't eat fish, she's allergic to onions, so he's a bit so-called provoked or something like this. So let's listen to the second part and see what's going on.
CD2, track 31.
Was everything okay with your meal?
Yes, thanks. I'm writing a review for my online food blog.
Oh, I see. Are you sure you don't want to see the dessert menu? We have a delicious chocolate mousse. You should try it.
No thanks. I'm allergic to chocolate. Just the bill, please.
Certainly. Just one moment, please.
Okay, now what happens here? Why did he suddenly change his attitude? He found out that she is a critic, a restaurant critic, and she writes reviews for her blog. And now he wants to have some good marks, and that's the reason, some good critics, that's the reason why he is a bit more polite to Alex than he was before. Okay, furthermore, we have these exercises about those nice, polite questions. And as you can remember, we talked some day before about those indirect questions. And we said that indirect questions are embedded questions, that these are basically two questions within one. The first one is polite, something like introductory, and the second one we change the direct one. Instead of asking you, what is your name? Like a direct question, I want to be more polite and then could you tell me what your name is? So this is it. I would like you to focus on those few sentences here and then to tell us or to tell me what is the difference in word order and which type of questions is or which type is more polite. So that's it. Could you tell me what the soup is? The direct one, what is the soup? Can you tell me what the Mario special salad is? What is the Mario special salad? Do you know what the pasta sauce is? Or what is the pasta sauce? I'd like to know if there are onions in it. Are there onions in it? So these are direct questions that are easy. Now let's go back to our questions. What is the difference? So what about the verb comes after the subject? There is no inversion in those indirect questions. So the word order is the same as in statements. We don't have, for example, here the sequence of tenses, for example, like we have with reported sentences. So this is the best. But, okay, just for you to understand what are those indirect questions, we are going to talk more about them in a little bit different way. Good. Furthermore, what else do we have here? Write indirect questions using the question beginnings and ask and answer in pairs. So we have, what's your favorite fruit? So this is definitely direct question. With can you tell me, we transform it into indirect. So can you tell me what your favorite fruit is? Oh yes, I love bananas. Where is the Italian restaurant near you? So this is direct. Indirect is going to be, do you know where the Italian restaurant near your house is? The second one, is there anything you don't eat? I'd like to know if there is anything you don't eat. Number 3, or better to say 4, are you a good cook? I'd like to know if you are a good cook. Number 5, where can I get the best ice cream? Can you tell me where I can get the best ice cream? And the last question here, who's the fussiest eater you know? Could you tell me who the fussiest eater you know is? So these are the questions, because these are just practices and practicing here. I would like you to send me the answers to these questions. So answer questions for yourself and send me those answers, for example, till the end of this week. Okay? And what else is left here? This is a speaking part, conversation in a, for example, conversation in a restaurant, but this is something that we are going to practice when we see each other in our classrooms. So this is very short lesson just for you to know how to behave somewhere